1. Apple cider vinegar. For starters, according to some research, apple cider vinegar possesses anti-inflammatory qualities that may aid in the alleviation of chronic pain such as arthritis. It aids in the restoration of joint lubrication, reducing discomfort and making it easier to move your legs. Mix half a cup of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and drink it every night before bed. Epsom salt is number 2. Magnesium and sulfate, which are both strong pain relievers, are found in Epsom salt. It reduces swelling and alleviates the pain. You can soak in your bath for 30 minutes after adding a scoop of Epsom salt to the water. Cayenne pepper is number 3 on the list. The active ingredient in the red spice is capsaicin, which is a natural pain reliever. To produce a paste, combine a teaspoon of cayenne pepper with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Massage this paste into the afflicted region carefully. Turmeric is number 4. Turmeric is a wonderful spice with a long history of medical use. Curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory ingredient found in this yellow spice, is present. The chemical aids in the reduction of joint discomfort and inflammation. Boil a glass of water with ginger and turmeric for 12–15 minutes. To get some relief, drink this concoction on a regular basis. 5. Extract of ginger. For your knees, ginger oil, ginger extract, or fresh ginger are all beneficial. Gingerol, a chemical found in this popular household plant, has anti-inflammatory properties. To obtain relief from knee discomfort, brew ginger tea and consume it twice a day. 6. Use essential oils to massage. Knee and joint pain can be relieved effectively by massaging the affected areas. It's much more helpful to massage your knees with essential oil. According to several research, ginger and orange essential oils are effective in treating knee discomfort. It helps to relieve stiffness and discomfort in the afflicted area. And 7. Use heat and cold compresses. Heat and cold compresses can both help to relieve the symptoms of knee discomfort. However, the therapy you pick is determined on the sort of pain you are experiencing. Heat compresses should be avoided if there is inflammation since they might aggravate the condition. Heat therapy is the most effective treatment for persistent pain, such as arthritis. In case of sports injury, apply a cold compress. Click the first link in the description to discover how I relieved 58% of my knee pain after struggling with it for years, and subscribe for daily videos helping you feel well. Thanks for watching.